What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol IRNT for Ironnet Inc. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update since we've covered this one recently, and the main thing to discuss is the new breakout point here, close to 23, the round number. You can clearly see some of these upper wicks stacking from the daily perspective, and certainly intraday, we have all of these touches here, as well as right here into the end of today's session. But that's not only it. Of course, that is going to act as the upside gatekeeper back to all-time highs, but I would also encourage you to now have this support trend line on your chart. So if we come in from this low, actually it might work out perfectly. And no, that probably won't do it. But we'll go in from this low and we'll do something like this. And you can clearly see how we're respecting this support trend line here, clearly making higher lows, right? So if this is the major low, we'll put a big L. This is certainly a higher low, higher low, higher low. So you can remain bullish inside of Ironnet really as long as we remain above that support trend line. So any pullbacks that respect it, do something like this, tighten up. Again, you're still just looking at that breakout over 23 to get back into our all-time high up here, closer to 30, the nice round number. So that's how I would be monitoring this one going forward. On a break of the support trend line, then I would really just be watching for probably this 1950 area, not so much this in here anymore. We'll get rid of that off the chart. That was one of those gatekeepers that we had, but that's really the first area to watch out for, 1950, simply noting that it was prior low, then resistance, resistance, and that's where the breakout broke from and then held on the back test, right? So that's why 1950 is the number to watch, not so much that intermediate level that we just took off the chart. So it's pretty simple here on Ironnet, as we know, as long as it really remains above the opening break high here at this 1841, you could also remain bullish, but optimally, this remains in the triangle, breaks out, goes back to all-time highs. If it does fall out, first level to hold is here, 1950 as discussed, and then after that, that 1841, noting that that's coming from right here, the run-up high from when this did IPO. So that's going to wrap up the video here, short and sweet on Ironnet. Pretty simple plan, looking at 23 and those pullback areas which we just discussed. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, certainly let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.